Now we're going to talk about measures and time signatures, which really are very sort of similar concepts that deal with rhythm and beats. Now, a measure is described as a group of beats. Okay, so group of beats. And what I'm going to play a song and sort of clap along to it, and you're going to notice that there are really 4 beats that repeats over and over again. And I'm going to put an accent on the first one. I'm going to play that one louder. So you can see that it's a 4-beat pattern that repeats itself over time. Okay, so that was a song with a 4-beat pattern. Okay, and what the time signature tells you is really how many beats per measure is there. Okay, so in this case that was a 4-beat measure, but sometimes you'll have other cases like a 3-beat measure, sometimes even a 5-beat measure, which is kind of uncommon, but still happens. And when you look at the time signature, you'll see it described and sort of written down this way. Okay, so a 3/4, which is what we have here, is a 3-beat measure. The top one tells you how many beats there are, and a 4/4 is a 4-beat measure. Now, don't worry about the bottom one so much. If you don't know it, it really denotes the note value, which is what kind of note it is. But again, let's not focus on that too much. We played a 4-beat pattern last time. Now let's look at a 3-beat pattern. Okay, so again, it's going to be the accent on the first beat, and then 2 other ones for a 3-beat pattern. Okay, so again, that was a 3-beat measure. You had the 3 beats repeating over and over again. And as I said, the 3/4 and the 4/4 measures, the 3/4 and the 4/4 type signatures are the most common. But sometimes you'll see some weird ones, like the 5/4, the 7/4, and these don't happen a lot, but it's kind of fun when it happens. So let's listen to one that has that. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, repeating over and over again. Okay, so hopefully that gives you an idea of what kinds of time signatures there are. We have the 3/4, we have the 4/4, and the 5/4, and there's infinite combinations, but 3/4 and 4/4 are the most common. And so that was, again, measures, which are groups of beats, and time signatures, which tells you how many beats per measure. Hope you enjoyed that lesson.